Signature Windows and Doors is the Irish home of leading premium window and door brands. We strive to provide a superior window and door solution for both you and your home. Covering the whole of Ireland, we put every effort into crafting the finest bespoke windows and doors possible. Every single window and door that leaves our factories are made to order, from contemporary to traditional and everything in between. This ensures that our customers have a choice of superior quality products, individual architectural styles, and virtually unlimited design capability. Your journey begins in one of our showrooms. Upon arrival, one of our sales and design specialists will sit you down to understand what the desired outcome of your replacement or new build project is. It's important to us that we find the right windows and doors that both fit your design and performance requirements. Each window is custom made, so that requires precise measurements. Signature's installation team will carry out a detailed survey of your existing windows and doors to determine the exact size that you require for your replacement. Every installation job is different. Our installers are skillful experts when it comes to fitting your bespoke windows and doors into your home. We believe in going the extra mile to make sure you're completely satisfied. Signature has long understood that a quality and smooth installation experience is in the details. The Signature team are the best in the Irish market and take great pride in providing you with the best window and door purchasing experience. Unlike many other window suppliers, we warrant both our product and installation for 10 years, giving you peace of mind for your new investment. Get in touch with Signature today or visit one of our showrooms to receive a free design consultation on your next window and door project.